Okay, kill it for now. Hold up, we'll catch him on the other side of the town. Okay? You can put it down. Please. I can't use any talking. Alright? Put it down. No! We'll catch him on the other side of the town. Put the camera down until we get through the other side of the town. Okay? That's why I lean generally, against that. Let me see the camera for a second, please. All right. Okay. Okay. Do me a favor. On the sound, on the top, on this thing. Make sure the right one is all the way up.
It is.
And this one's all the way back.
It is.
Good. I'm sorry, I just got to talk over the wind here more than anything. Okay? We're going to catch him on the other side of town here, okay? I hope. The tracks come back. So
Shoulder.